students. Now today we are going to do new sum and with new method with different topic. But first of all, what we have done in last lectures. So first in chapter number 1, all the data is collected, collection of data, and in chapter number 2, presentation of data. So data is presented in proper form. For that we have divided two data, qualitative and quantitative data. If we are talking about quantitative data, then that quantitative data we have presented in discrete frequency distribution and continuous frequency distribution. If we are talking about continuous, then two types of continuous data: inclusive, exclusive. Then after, if we are going ahead, then what we have done in last lecture. Sir, if discrete frequency distribution is given, then less than frequency, more than frequency, middle value, that we are finding. Now, from different classes, if continuous frequency is given, then how we can find less than frequency distribution as well as more than frequency distribution? That we need to understand today. And for that we are taking one sum. So here I am reading illustration number 7, which is given in your textbook. So writing here illustration number 7. Now first reading it. A frequency distribution of monthly income of 500 persons is as under. So monthly income of 500 persons is given. Then what we need to do? Obtain less than type and more than type cumulative frequency distribution, what we have done in last lecture also. But in last lecture, information given as discrete frequency distribution. But here information given as continuous frequency distribution. So we are writing first question. So what is given? Monthly income in 1000 rupees. That is given in heading. So monthly income. And income is in 1000 rupees. So I can write comma 3 zeros, then 1000. Now for that, class is prepared. 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40. In this way, 5, 5, 5, 5 class length is there, and up to 60. So 25, starting from 25. Up to 60. So 25, 30, 35, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. That's it. So up to 60 classes are given. So minimum salary of the person is 25,000 and maximum salary is 60,000 rupees. Now against it, 500 persons are written. So 500 persons are divided in this salary slabs. So here we are writing number of persons and its frequency. So 25,000 to 30,000 salary received by 30%. Total 500 persons are there. Total 500 persons are there. from 500%, 25 to 30,000 received by 30%. Now 80% are there who are receiving salary from 30,000 to 35,000 rupees. 100% are there who are getting 35,000 rupees to 40,000 rupees salary. 50% are there who are receiving salary from 40,000 to 45,000 rupees. 150% are there who are receiving 45 to 50,000 rupees. Going ahead, 50 to 55, 80% are there. And last, 10% are there who are getting 55,000 to 60,000 rupees salary. Now this is the question, but first of all we need to understand question also. That's why I am explaining you all things. So how many persons are there? Just try to think. How many persons are there who are getting 35 to 50,000 salary? This is my question. How many persons are there who are getting 35 to 50,000 rupees salary? So 35 to 40, 100, then 50% 40 to 45,000, and 45 to 50, 150%. So total of this 300. So 300 persons are there who are getting between 35 to 50,000 salary. This concept must be clear to all of you. Must be clear to all of you. Why? Why? Because I am explaining you each and everything. What is meant by this question? That is also I am explaining you. 25 to 30 means 30. So 30 to 35, 80. And here exclusive class is given. Exclusive means 30 is not considered in this class, it is considered here. 35 is not considered here, 35 considered here. So this question is 100% clear to all of you. Now I am talking about less than and more than frequency. So first I am finding less than frequency distribution. Now less than what? Lower boundary point. Important thing, not a lower boundary. We finding less than frequency distribution on the basis of lower boundary point, not lower boundary. That is very important. If classes are given exclusive frequency distribution, then lower boundary and lower boundary point both are same, and that's why there is no change in lower boundary and lower boundary points. So here always remember, whenever class is given and we need to find less than frequency distribution, it means lower boundary point is considered, not lower boundary. Here lower boundary point and lower boundary both are same, because exclusive frequency distribution is given. Now what is the lower boundary point? That I am discussing later. Don't worry about it. Today itself we are clearing that thing. So less than what? Less than 25,000. So I am writing here less than 25, less than 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and last 60 also. So less than frequency distribution we need to find. So less than means less than 25,000 salary. less than 30,000 salary, less than 35,000 salary, less than 40,000 salary, less than 45,000 salary. That we need to consider. That we need to consider. Now, how we are finding it? You know shortcut method by Kamal sir. And even by concept also, we can clear all the things. Now, see here. By concept. Shortcut you know. So, we are seeing here concept. So, less than cumulative frequency. Less than CFI. Now less than 25,000 salary, how many persons are there? So nobody is there who is getting less than 25,000 salary. Simple. Nobody is there. So write down here 0. Nobody is there who is getting 25 less than 25,000 salary. Now think less than 30,000. So less than 30, only 30. Less than 30, only 30 persons are there. So write 30. Now here 35, less than 35. So less than 35 means less than 35 up to this. So 80 and 30 both are less than 30,000 salary. So 80 plus 30, 110. So less than 40. So 40, but less than 40 here. 100, 80, 30. So 100 plus 80 plus 30, 210. Simple. Less than 45. So 45, less means 50. So 50, 100, 80, 30. Total of this all. We are getting 260. Now less than 50. So 50, less than 50 means here 150, 50, something, total of it 410. Now less than 55. So 55 here, but less than 8 means up to this level, up to 80. So total of all up to 80. We are getting 490. Last one. Less than 60. So all are less than 60. Nobody is there who is getting more than 60,000 salary. So all are means 500. Total 500 salarized person are there who are getting less than 60,000 rupees salary. So less than frequency distribution is ready. That's it. Simple one. Going ahead. Next. Now in next, more than frequency distribution we need to find. So continue with this table only. More than. So more than what? Sir, again, more than 25 only. 25, 30 and all. Now, what is the shortcut method for CFI here? 0, 0 plus 30, 30, 30 plus 80, 110, 110 plus 100, 210, 210 plus 50, 260, 260 plus 150, 410, 410 plus 80, 490, 490 plus 10, 500. That's it. That was the shortcut method that we have already seen. Going ahead, more than. So more than what? Again, more than boundary points. 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 and 60. And 60. Going ahead. Now, most important one. more than 25,000 salary getting. All are getting more than 25,000 salary. All are getting more than 25,000 salary. All means 500. So start with. Again, it's my CF, cumulative frequency distribution. All are getting more than 25,000 rupees salary. So starting with 500 rupees. 500 persons, not rupees, sorry. So 500 persons are there who are getting more than 25,000 rupees salary. Now think, more than 30,000. So 30,000 here, more than that means here. So except 30, all are getting, except 30, all are getting more than 30,000 salary. So total of this 80, 100, 50, 150, 80 and 10. And other way, 500 minus 30, 470. That is my more than 30,000 rupees salary getting persons. Simple. Same way. More than 35 means more than 35 start from here 100, 50, 150, 80 and 10. So I can total it 100 plus 50, 150, 150 plus 150, 300, 300 plus 90, 390. So my answer is 390. And second thing, now 80 is not considered. So 470 minus 80, answer is 390. Now more than 40. So 40 and more 50, 150, 80, 10. So 50, 150, 200, 290. And second way, deduct 390 minus 100, you are getting 290. Going ahead, more than 45. So consider from here 45 and more. So here 150, 80 and 10. So 150 plus 80, 230 and 10, 240. Second way, 290 minus 50, 240. Same way, going ahead, more than 50. So more than 50 means start from here, 50 or more, 80 and 10, 90. Last, more than 55, certain. Now more than 60, nobody is there who is getting more than 60,000 salary. So 0. So this is my more than frequency distribution. That's it. If we want to do directly 500, 500 minus 30, 470, 470 minus 80, 390, 390 minus 100, 290, 290 minus 50, 240, 240 minus 150, 90, 90 minus 80, 10, 10 minus 10, 0. That's it. So both questions completed and my illustration number 7 is clear. So here, most important thing, class is given. In last lecture, discrete frequency was given. Here class is given. Whenever classes are given, then take lower boundary point as a base. Not lower boundary point. But whenever exclusive class distribution given, then lower boundary and lower boundary point both are same. So no need to understand that thing. Directly write it. Enjoy it. So illustration number 7 is my 100% completed. Now going ahead and doing illustration number 8, which is inclusive class. Now we are talking about inclusive class. So writing here, next question, I am writing here. Okay. Illustration number 8. Illustration number 8. Now what is given actually? The frequency distribution of daily demand of rooms at an international hotel. Now information about given for international hotel and daily demand of rooms in international hotel information is that during 90 days is as under. So 90 days information is available. Obtain less than type and more than type cumulative frequency distribution from it. So I need to find cumulative frequency distribution, less than and more than both. So first of all, writing my question. Now what is given in question? Demand of room. So demand of room. Now for demand there is classes given. Now which are the classes? So first class 1 to 50. So 50 room demand. 1 to 50 rooms demand. Then 51 to 100 demand. Thereafter 101 to 150. 151 to 200, 201 to 250. So room demand classes are given. For that frequency also given. Frequency also given. Now against it frequency given 10. It means I can say 1 room to 50 room demanded. In 90 days survey, 10 days are there in which 1 to 50 rooms demanded. Then after 20, 30, 18, 20, 30, 18, 12, and if we are making total of this, it must be 90 because 90 days survey is done. So from 90 days, 10 days 1 to 50, 20 days 51 to 100, 30 days 101 to 150, 18 days 151 to 200, 12 days 201 and 201 to 250. So this is the information. By this information we can understand in this way. Now what we need? Sir, less than and more than type cumulative frequency distribution. Now remember my one thing, and that is very important one. Remember it in last sum. What we have done? In last sum what we have done? Less than boundary point. Boundary point. Not lower boundary or upper boundary, but boundary point is considered. What is boundary point here? Because here inclusive frequency distribution is given. Now remember my last lecture. Convert inclusive frequency distribution into exclusive frequency distribution and then find less than and more than like this. So first of all, I am converting this class into another class which is exclusive. So I am converting this class into exclusive frequency distribution, and that is very important one. Now sir, how we are converting? That we have done in last lectures. Remember it. Shortcut method we are doing later. First we are doing normal method. Total of this two. Remember it. Total of this two. Upper limit and lower limit. Total of this two divided by 2. So 50 plus 51 divided by 2. Answer is 50.5. So here I am writing 50.5 upper boundary point, 50.5 lower boundary point. .5, 50.5. That's it. Going ahead, 100 plus 101 divide by 2, 100.5. 150 plus 151 divide by 2, 200 plus 201 divide by 2, 250 plus, so nothing is given. Simple, 250 plus 251 divide by 2. Now sir, what about this? 1. Now what should be before that class? Upper limit. So 1 plus 0 divide by 2, 0.5. So in this way, first of all, we need to find boundary points. It means convert this into exclusive classes. Simple. Here already exclusive class given, so directly I have written boundary point. But here inclusive class given, so it is converted into exclusive class. Then we are finding a less than and more than frequency distribution. That's it, nothing else. Nothing else. Now this is the legal method, total of 2 divided by 2. But what is the illegal method? Yes, many of you know what is the illegal method. In upper limit, write 0.5, we are getting upper boundary point. And same way, deducting 0.5 from lower limit, we are getting lower boundary point. This is the illegal method. But genuine, don't worry. You are getting proper answer. Even if you don't want to deduct, then don't worry. 50.5 right here. This right here, right here, right here, because that is same. That is same. So in this way, exclusive classes prepared. Now some remain same, like illustration number same, because now it becomes exclusive class. That's it. So going ahead and doing our sum. So first of all, less than, more than, frequency distribution. Now less than what? So less than, consider 0.5 now. And 50.5, 100.5, 150.5, 200.5, and 250.5. So less than this boundary points and its frequency now. Now which is the frequency? So writing frequency also. So less than 0.5, there is no 1. So 0. Less than 50.5, 50.5, less than it, 10. And if we want to write directly, so 0 plus 10, 10, 10 plus 20, 30, 30 plus 30, 60, 60 plus 18, 78, 78 plus 12. Simple. Less than frequency distribution is ready. Going ahead. More than. So more than what? Same boundary points. More than this boundary points. $50.5, $100.5, $150.5, $200.5, $250.5. For that also we are writing frequency. So more than this all are there. So 90 are there. So start with 90. So what is the step now? Direct method. 90 minus 10. What we are doing? 90 minus 10. So 90 minus 10, we are getting 80. 80 minus 20, 60. 60 minus 30, 30. 30 minus 18, 12 minus 12. So in this way, we can find less than and more than frequency distribution on the basis of continuous frequency distribution. If exclusive class given, then don't worry, directly write it. If inclusive class given, convert it into exclusive class, then remains same. So today, what is completed? Less than and more than frequency distribution of any type of distribution. Discrete, that also complete. Continuous, that is also complete. Meet you in next lecture with different topic. Bye bye.